In many organizations, we only start thinking about replacements after a key leader resigns. That's why succession planning is a necessity. Succession is not guesswork. It's a structured plan to identify, develop, and empower the leaders of the future. Succession planning helps organizations avoid disruptions, gives ambitious employees a clear path, and creates a fair work environment. Identify critical roles. Spot high performers. Develop and support them. Track and review regularly. Are you a high performer with ambition to grow? You might be part of your organization's talent pool. So think like a leader. Ask yourself, am I ready to step up? Are we planning for the future? Dr. Badr Al-Hassani. Aldair.com